Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So today we will do the discussion about the Junior Tutor Reflection Circle. And before we start our discussion today, let's pray together. Pray begin.
Goalsnya jangan bertabrakan, mau kemana pun tapi batasnya sampai sini.
Amen. So today we're not looking for the best tutor, but we have to learn about how we are teaching, how we teach for the around 1 month. And yeah, I have some question for all of you, and we have to talk about it. So the first question is, when did you feel successful when you was teaching? Now, when did you feel successful when you was teaching, and why? And then, what is one teaching mistake you do not want to repeat? And the last one is, what is one small habit that can make you a better tutor? So you have to answer that 3 questions, and then we will do the sharing fraction, give the what? Give the suggestion, and you give the support and something like that. So I give 5 minutes for all of you to think about the answer. Alright. Thank you.
Thank you. I will answer the question. The first is my answer is when my members know about the lesson, understood for my teaching. I really happy when my students know about how pattern, how the question word, how the pronunciation and the vocabulary. I like it. But sometimes I don't like it because my members got bad score. But I like it when my members got bad score, but they want process and progress.
And then how about the second question?
The second question is, my answer is when I wrong about my words and spelling. You know, when you teach and you wrong about your write and spelling, your members confused about that. And then I don't want to repeat again. And before I teach, I want study more and more. And the third is my simple habits. My simple habits to be MS. The first is I get up early. I think 3 a.m. I have to get up. My members, I know about the passion. When I teach my member, I know about the start from 0 until day success. Like that. And I like about make day better. Okay.
So anyone want to give a suggestion?
You have to learn about the pronunciation, or your writing.
Yeah, from me, because your mistakes from your teaching is about the pronunciation. My suggestion is you have to watch more about movies or the videos from TikTok or Instagram that use the English as a native speaker. As the video. So you will learn about the pronunciation directly from the video.
As Mr. B said, when you be MS, you have to more often open your dictionary. And you have to speak English with your friends as MS as well. Because like Mr. B said, keep your English so you don't need to repeat CDC again for speak English.
Yeah, you know, like what? And then you must prepare before you teach. You must prepare about the structure, about his spelling, and because sometimes we know about the material, but when we want to explain, suddenly like forgot,
Confused.
and lost.
Yeah.
We must prepare well.
Okay, thank you for Miss Pia for the time. Okay, for Miss Isa, can you share to us how was your teaching experiences around 1 month?
Okay, about the question number 1, I feel success teach my students when my members can enjoy in my class, happy, and then pay attention when I explain it.
Oke, 10 detik lagi.
Because when they are happy, I will be happy also. But when they feel when they are not happy, I feel oh my God, I feel maybe when I explain, I feel not comfortable because my member.
Oke, one, stop. Oke.
About my
Open your eyes, give me
Okay.
one.
And
Oke.
number two is okay. My mistake when I forgot the material, maybe such as I forgot put the auxiliary in the structure, maybe R, but I didn't know it. Because I feel shy and I feel my value is low. So the point is I haven't mastered the material yet. But the conclusion I must prepare the material. Okay. And the third and the last question. This is my good habit for me when I can control my emotional. When I feel upset because when my student didn't pay attention
Oke,
when
silakan
I
Karen ya. Grup 1,
So it's
grup 2
why
dan
when I
bebas
can,
posisinya mau di mana? Ambil posisi terenak
when
buat
I
mulai,
can
silakan bebas posisinya di mana?
when I can when
Teman-teman
I can
cari
no
posisi yang
actually
enak, biar
I'm
nanti
not
bisa memulai,
I'm not
gamenya
passion person
dengan
but I will
nyaman.
try to passion to them because
Oke.
I think they are not my child so I must keep my memory. That's why I will learn and make better to my emotion. Okay.
Okay, anyone want to give the suggestion?
Okay.
Give it 50
Ready?
to Miss Isa.
Grup,
Okay, from me, when you say that
grup 3,
you have a low,
grup 4,
low value, you don't have to think about that. You have to be more confident that you have a high value because you already become the MS. So you are better than the other person that
jangan
didn't
sampai
become
nabrak
the
pohon
MS.
juga,
So
itu adalah
you have
rintangan
to be a
tambahan.
positive thinker,
Nanti kalau nabrak dan
not
roboh,
negative.
grup itu yang akan kembali
Okay,
ya.
thank you.
Jadi silakan.
Anyone else?
Then
Sometimes
dengan
our
pohon
students
jeruk.
gives us like
Jangan jeruk makan.
what is it? Yeah, make us upset and then angry and then we cannot control our
Silakan
angry but
close your
we
eyes
try.
first.
We try
Our
to-
Tidak
face
tidak
yeah,
silakan.
good,
Go
but
for it ya.
we
3,
keep our
1,
moods not to
two,
speak. Yeah,
3, let's go!
yeah, like that.
it's very difficult for me. Smile. Oh my god.
So all of us can learn from that.
Yeah.
We have to
try
be
it.
patient.
Patient and always smile when our member is
Knowing you.
you know lah. Yes.
Okay, give applause for Mrs. Isa. Okay.
I want to answer the questions. Number one, when my students finally understood the difficult materials, after I explained using simple example, I felt successful because they look happy and not stressed. They look happy. And then I want to answer number two. When the answer is when I talking too fast and then fast to move on to another materials when they not
Okay.
understand.
Yo, turn right, turn right.
And then my mistake like I didn't ask my members
Okay.
to
Grup
do you
2 dan grup
understand
4
about this
hati-hati.
material, but I directly jump into another material. And then the third is my answer is I have to smile more often. And then I always ask my members if my explanation is clear or not.
Okay, anyone want to give the feedback? Okay, for the small habit that you have given to your student is about the smile more. Yeah, actually all of us need to do that as well. Because as a teacher, when we feel happy, my student will feel happy as well, right? So we have to give the positive energy to them, so they can learn well in our class.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
Lisa?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, I want to. Oh, give applause for me. Okay, the next one. I will give my answer about the three question. Okay, the first question is when I felt successful when I teaching. So when I taught, I felt that I felt successful when my student, understood. My student finally understood what I have given to them. So such as the conditional sentence, or maybe about the pronunciation, or about the other explanation. So when they can answer correctly, I feel like, oh my god, I yeah, I'm good at this like that. And then for the teaching mistakes, same as Miss Una said that sometimes I explaining too much and I just want to finish the material faster. So I don't ask them whether they understand or not about the material and then give the example more. I just want to finish and then yeah suddenly and then finally I can yeah give a games or something like that. So for the next teaching time, yeah, I will reduce that thing and make it better. And then for the small habit that I've learned, small habit that I need to do is to prepare more about the lesson. Yes, I'm like Miss Isa said that we have to mastering about the lesson that what we will give to them. Because sometimes when we don't really understand about the material and they ask about the material, the weird question we can say, yeah, sometimes I just don't know what to do. So I need to prepare more for about the material.
Okay, now
Yeah,
we come to the fifth
that's my
level,
answer.
level 3, level 3
Is
ini
there
bisa
any
saling
question
eliminasi.
or feedback from all of you?
Kayak enggak, kayak yang
Maybe
cacing
you
itu
can
dari
manage your
teacher
talking speed and
apa
then
nih,
ask
kepala
them
cacing
again.
lawan.
Do you want us anything for
Jadi
this material?
gamenya
Yeah.
ekor enggak,
And then you must open the
kepalanya
situation for your
tapi
members
jangan
confused or
fokus
no.
ke kepala.
Yeah.
And their friends
Ah,
look
get it,
at yeah.
Look confused or happy?
Yeah, sometimes I didn't realize it. You know, when I teach, I just teach and then give the present and then
And you
yeah,
continue
yeah,
to explain that to the class.
okay, yeah, I will fix it later.
Yeah, maybe.
Kayak kenapa kan? Oke.
I wanna
Itu ya,
answer
sekarang bisa
question,
saling
the first
eliminasi.
question when did I feel successful when I was teaching? I feel successful when my members
Kepala
or
lawan
my
nabrak
students
badan tim kita, itu
say,
kalah dia. Kalau
"Oh, like
kepala
that,
kita
sir.
nabrak
Oh,
tim
like that,
lawan,
sir. Just like
kita
that,
yang
sir."
kalah. Jadi
Okay.
kan?
And then they are
Kalau
very
kepala
happy
kepala dua-duanya kalah.
in the my
Jadi,
class or in the study club.
Tapi
I
pelan-pelan
felt
lari.
success when they are happy, they are can understand the material. And then the next question.
Tapi tugasnya leader juga harus
Second
waspada
question is,
dengan cacing lawan.
what is
Jadi
when
ya? Oke, just now,
Touching
please
mistakes, I don't want to repeat. Okay. I
close your eyes. Close your eyes. Yeah.
don't sleep,
Cari.
and then in the morning I feel very sleepy, and when I was teaching I feel sleepy. My
Your brain didn't work.
my brain didn't work or blank. All of the material lost. That's why I don't want to do it again.
Okay.
And maybe other mistake is my pronunciation is not good, and then
Oh,
when
ya,
I
oke, just
when I
now.
read some
Close your eyes.
vocabulary
Itu
or
bertiga
some,
silakan saling incar. Juara pertama nanti yang bertahan sampai akhir.
and the third
Jadi,
question
close your eyes
is
everyone.
what is one small habit that can make
Ya, 5
me
menit.
better? The first
10
make me
menit.
better is
Nah,
duha prayer before
ya,
teaching.
udah sebenarnya.
Because we have to duha before teaching, right?
Yeah,
That's why
Yuk, close your eyes.
that's why I feel better when I
One.
duha. I feel calm.
Dinar, close your eyes.
I
One.
feel ready to teach. The next and the second, before I teaching, before I teach, I have to read the material first. Because if I don't read the material, I feel I cannot teach, and I feel blank again. Maybe like that.
Okay. Anyone want to give a suggestion or feedback?
Okay. The first, you must sleep before 10 p.m. You
Yeah.
have to get up for 4 p.m. You must get up, right?
The smoking over there.
Yeah, actually, as the teacher or as the tutor, we have to avoid some bad habits, right?
Bad habits.
Because yeah, we have to be in a good situation and good condition before we teach or meet our students. So we have to avoid all of that.
And manage your time. To sleep, to eat, to pray, and to others.
Thank you guys.
Give a glass from first.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the last one, Miss Pita.
Okay, I would like to tell about 3 questions that, okay, the first, when did I feel successful when I was teaching?
Oke.
When
when I felt happy when I heard the results of their exams. Even although not all of them got the good scores, but some of them got good scores.
Dua-duanya kalah. Silakan
Sometimes
pulang
I feel
lapangan.
confused.
Yo, 3 grup
What
lagi.
can I give them that make their scores good? But maybe I will ask the teachers how to do that. For the second, what is one teaching mistake I don't want to repeat? When I was confused about what else to do in study club. So I had to prepare whatever I will do while teaching so that they don't get bored during study club. Because there were times when I was confused about the lesson and I asked the other tutors and what can I do because I'm confused and I didn't want to repeat that. So it showed that I hadn't prepared for study club well. So before I do study club, I need to prepare well the lesson, and I don't need to ask other teacher what should I do after I do the first.
Oke, yo,
Okay,
injak temannya.
for
Let's
the
go,
third,
let's go.
what is one small habit that can make me a better tutor? When I can make them happy, when they are taught by me, when they ask something they don't know and I can answer it. There's sometimes I feel, well, I know this, I can convey it to my students. And for the small habit, I can control myself in front of my students. Honestly, I'm not a good person, and sometimes I often feel not good, and sometimes I get angry easily. But in MS, I try to control myself to be better. But sometimes, in front of my friends, I let out a loud shot, and I will to be more patient. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Anyone want to give the feedback? Okay, actually for me,
Instrukturnya di samping, bukan di depan. Di
I
samping.
usually do
Hati-hati,
the same
bagas
as
di
you.
samping, bukan
The
di depan.
mistake like when we don't know what we have to do after we teach, because yeah, just like what I said, I have a mistake that I explaining too much and didn't ask them how whether they understand or not. They make me still have a lot of time. A lot of time after I teach. So yeah, just like the suggestion from all of you before, yeah, we have to prepare more, and then we have to make sure that our student understand or not about our explanation. So we will not have more time to
Ayo, saling
not
injak,
do
saling injak. Kita
anything.
tembak nanti. Yo, let's go. Instrukturnya.
But,
Leadernya.
but sometimes
Ayo.
when today,
Mana ini
for the
guys,
example,
semua ada yang
today the
lain?
material is the example conditional sentence.
Yes.
Type 1 and type 2. But the following, and I asked them, do you get it? Yeah, we got it. And for the following day, when I ask them again, they feel confused again. So, where did the lesson go?
Yeah.
First, they
Dikepung.
try to
Example.
make example and then
Tim Bagas ada.
the answer in the exercise book.
Maybe you can give the task or duty.
Nggak berani nih.
Yeah, how they understand is not our responsibility actually. We just need to teach them well, and then if they said it's already and they already
Oke,
understand,
benar.
that is our responsibility, because yeah, that is their responsibility to repeat their material and learn it. Okay, maybe give a close to that. Okay, maybe we have already finished our sharing section. After this, we will make a report, and then we will do the presentation and make video the presentation about what we have found in our study club around 1 month. Okay, let's close our discussion with Hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillah.
Let's close with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So we have finished our report today after we do the study section. Now we will make the presentation about how was our teaching experiences. So the first one is about common problem that we have found. The first one is about not prepare our lesson well. So sometimes when we want to teach our student, we don't really understand about the material. It can be about the pronunciation, about the spelling, and anything else. So we have to fix it with more prepare. Yeah. After that, about a sleepy thing. So sometimes we felt sleepy when we teach our student, and that habit make our student not really enjoying the moment when we study. So we will fix it with the time management. So we have to fix our time management so we can make our time better in our study club. And then the last one is about emotional control. Yeah, sometimes we feel want to mad to our student, and then we just lazy and something like that. But after we become MS, we can fix our emotional control. We will be more calm, and then can manage our student emotional and our emotional as well. So yeah, the mistake that we want to reduce, just like what I said, is about the bad pronunciation, about the bad spelling, and then not prepare well. So we will fix it in the next study. So maybe that's all from our group and our discussion. The last we say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.